Hello everybody, it's Comfort welcoming you back to my kitchen and to another simple recipe. Today I am baking these crustless mini chicken and mushroom quiches. They are perfect at breakfast or brunch. They make great snacks, and because they can be eaten at room temperature or colder, you can carry them along to your next potluck or have them at your next finger food party. Alright, first let's add the finely chopped mushrooms to some heated oil and saute them over medium heat for about 8 minutes or until they are caramelized like this. Add the diced onions and cook for 5 minutes while stirring frequently. Add your crushed garlic and cook quickly for 30 seconds. Then it's time to go in with the diced carrots, chopped chicken, black pepper, paprika spice, salt, and dried thyme. Give it a good mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Add some water and cook for about 3 minutes or until all the liquid has dried out and the mixture looks like this. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool down. Now to a mixing bowl, add your eggs and milk and whisk until well combined. Add your flour, make sure to sift it first and then whisk until smooth, and then add the chicken and mushroom mixture and the grated cheese. Mix bulungi. Now add the mixture to an oiled muffin baking tray, then transfer to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake for 45 minutes to an hour. So this is 1 hour later. My quiches are looking so good and they are nicely set in the middle, and that's actually how you know that they have been baked properly. Transfer them to a platter and maybe wait for them to come down to room temperature before digging in. Let me tell you something, these are so good and I hope you're going to be making them for you and your loved ones. I thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like, share and comment to help the video reach more people. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so for more simple recipes for your spirit and your body. Until my next one, may the good Lord bless you. Bye.